In this video, we're going to find two different ways to solve this differential equation. The first way is by using an integration factor. So this will be e raised to the coefficient of y, which is 1. So the integral 1 dx, and that's just e to the x. Multiply both sides by the integration factor, and we get e to the x times y prime plus e to the x times y equals e to the 2x. The left side is just a product rule of e to the x times y. So I'm going to take the integral of both sides. The integral and the derivative are going to cancel. That's just e to the x times y. And on the right, it's e to the x all over 2 plus a constant. Now I'm going to solve for y by multiplying both sides by e to the negative x and get y equals e to the x over 2 plus a constant times e to the negative x. The second way is by solving it using exact equations. So let's first get y prime as just dy over dx. Multiply both sides by dx, subtract by e to the x dx, and factor that dx out. At this point, if we were to check if they're exact equations, we would see that they're not. So let's multiply both sides by e to the x. So I have e to the x dy plus e to the x times y minus e to the x dx. Now if I let f of xy equal c1 be the solution, I'm going to integrate e to the x times y minus e to the x dx, and that comes from this part right here. I'm going to integrate this with respect to x, then I'm going to take the derivative with respect to y and compare it to e to the x over here. So before I integrate, I'm going to distribute the e to the x, and now integrate, I get e to the x times y minus e to the 2x over 2 plus g of y. Take the derivative now with respect to y and compare that to e to the x. So I get e to the x plus g prime of y is a derivative equals e to the x. So that means g prime of y is 0, or in other words, g of y is a constant. So I go back to f of xy. I say it's equal to e to the xy minus e to the 2x over 2 plus a constant. Remember, we let f of xy equal to a constant be the solution. So now I just need to solve for y. I got rid of the constant on the left there, the c2, subtracted both sides by that, and then I added e to the 2x over 2. Finally, I multiplied both sides by e to the negative x power and got my answer to be y equals e to the x over 2 plus a constant times e to the negative x. And that's my answer.